Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to add a column in ClickUp. So, whether it's in a space, a folder, or even a list where you add a column. Let me show you an example. Click on list right here. Okay. And all you need to do here, you see this icon? This is the plus icon. It says add a column, right? This is for list. So go ahead and click on this. And there we go. We're creating a new field right here. So it'll give you suggested names. Okay. For example, deliverable due date. So I can go ahead and select this. I can go ahead and click on create. You can of course enter your own name, right? And if I slide it here to the right, there you go. The new column has been made. Okay. And if you want, you can just click on this and edit the field at any time. Change the name, add emojis as well. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple.